Hi, this is Tina with OhSnapLet'sEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make snow peas beef stir fry. This snow peas beef stir fry is not only delicious but also really easy to make. The crunchy snow peas goes perfectly with the tender marinated beef. First, gather your ingredients. You're going to need half cup of thick soy sauce, also known as soy paste, 2 tablespoons of rice cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 pound of ribeye steak sliced into chunks, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 cloves of garlic, 8 ounces of fresh snow peas trimmed, and optionally, Chinese dried red peppers. In a bowl, mix together the thick soy sauce, rice cooking wine, and cornstarch, and marinate the beef in the bowl or a Ziploc bag for about 15 minutes. You can marinate up to overnight, but make sure to put it in the fridge if you do so. Heat oil in a cooking pan or wok over high heat, and then add the beef and garlic. Stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the outside is just browned, and then remove from the heat. Add the snow peas and the dried red chili peppers, if you choose to use them, into the pan or wok, and then stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the snow peas are vibrant green and crisp and tender. Now add the beef and the garlic back in and stir fry for about 30 seconds to a minute or until the beef is cooked to the temperature you like. Now remove from heat and serve, and be sure to follow for more delicious Asian recipes.